Hey everyone, this is Andrea with Yarn Pack and Mama, and today I wanted to go over the lemon peel stitch. So this stitch is very beginner friendly. It alternates between single crochet and double crochet, and it's a 1-row repeat, which is super great and makes it very easy, and this does work up to be quite a nice texture. So to get started, I chained up an even number plus 1. So you'll often hear that the multiple is an even number, but you have to chain another 1 in your chain, otherwise you will not end on a double crochet like you need to do to get that alternating lemon peel effect. So the multiple is an even number plus 1. So I've chained 15 here, and let's get started. In the second chain from the hook, you are going to go ahead and put in a single crochet, and then in the next you will do a double crochet, and that is your 1-row repeat. So it's a single crochet followed by a double crochet, and I will meet you up at the end and go over what that looks like and how to start the second row. See you then. Okay, so I've come to the end and I'm finishing on a double crochet, and now I'm going to turn my work, and then instead of chaining 1, I just work a single crochet directly into this first stitch, but you can absolutely do a turning chain of 1, and then you're going to put a single crochet followed by a double crochet into the next. And again, that is the 1-row repeat. It is simply a single crochet followed by a double crochet. And when you're working this, you will notice that you're putting a single crochet on top of a double crochet, and that you're putting a double crochet on top of a single crochet. And that is what is going to create this really interesting, cute texture for this stitch pattern. So I'm going to work up a few more rows and then show you what it looks like at the end. See you soon. Alright, so I have worked up a few rows, and this is what the lemon peel stitch looks like after a few of those rows. And you can see that there's this kind of bulkier texture right here because of a single crochet being worked on top of a double crochet, and it is really quite nice, and it's a pretty tight fabric considering that it's using double crochets, and this would be really great in a variegated yarn that changes colors as you go, because then the pattern would be more striking and less subtle. But I mean, it has a really nice feel, and it looks great in a solid color as well. And that is really it. So I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful, and please stay tuned for more. Thank you.